Alibaba just open-sourced an AI that debugs code 6 steps into the future without ever running it. Qwen AgentWorld is a language world model that mentally simulates what your terminal, browser, or operating system will do before it acts. And it's now outperforming GPT-5.4 and Claude Opus on agent benchmarks. I analyzed over 38 sources for this breakdown, including the original Arc of Paper, the official Qwen blog, GitHub repository, 3 YouTube technical breakdowns, and Reddit community discussions. In the next 9 minutes, I'll show you exactly how this simulate first, act second approach is solving the coding bottlenecks that have plagued AI agents for years. No sponsors, no bias, just data. Every AI coding agent today works like a blindfolded person in a kitchen. Try something, hear a crash, adjust, repeat. They act in real environments through pure trial and error. Run a command, see what happens, fix the error, try again. This approach is slow, expensive, fragile, and breaks the moment something unexpected changes in the environment. And here's what most people miss. The real bottleneck isn't smarter reasoning. It's that agents don't understand how environments actually work. They don't know what a terminal will return, what an API will respond, or how a browser state will change after clicking a button. Think of it this way. We've been teaching AI agents by handing them the pilot's manual. Nobody ever put them in a flight simulator. That's exactly what Qwen AgentWorld changes. Released June 23, 2026, Qwen AgentWorld flips the entire approach on its head. Instead of training AI to decide what action to take, it trains AI to predict what the environment will do in response to any action. This is what they call a language world model, the first of its kind built natively for AI agents. Here's the beginner-friendly analogy. Imagine a chess player who thinks 3 moves ahead versus one who just reacts to whatever piece their opponent moves. Qwen AgentWorld gives AI agents that forward-thinking ability, but for coding environments. One single model simulates 7 completely different environments: terminal command lines, code editors, API servers, search engines, web browsers, Android phones, and desktop operating systems. One model does all of that. The training is built on over 10 million real environment interaction trajectories. Imagine watching over a developer's shoulder for years and learning every possible response a system could give. The team describes their training pipeline as CPT injects, SFT activates, RL sharpens. Stage 1 absorbs raw environment knowledge from those 10 million interactions. Stage 2 teaches the model to think step by step before making predictions. That's the chain of thought reasoning. Stage 3 uses reinforcement learning with a hybrid reward system to sharpen accuracy. A 5-dimensional judge scores predictions on a scale of 1 to 5 across multiple quality dimensions, combined with a binary correctness signal. Here's where things get wild. When asked to predict the output of a word count command that counts bytes in a file, the model didn't just guess a plausible number. In its internal thinking trace, it enumerated every single character one by one, including invisible newline characters that humans typically forget about, to arrive at exactly 53 bytes. It's doing literal byte-level arithmetic purely through text generation. No calculator, no code execution, just counting in its head. Even more impressive, the 6-step causal chain for a curl command pipe to a JSON parsing tool. The model reasoned through an entire software stack failure. Node.js is missing, therefore the server never started. Therefore port 3000 is dead. Therefore curl fails silently because of the silent flag. Therefore the pipe receives empty input. Therefore the JSON tool throws a specific decode error. 6 steps of causal reasoning, all predicted correctly, without running a single line of code. Internal prediction accuracy jumped from 69.9% to 78.3% after world model training, an 8.4% improvement. On the new AgentWorld bench, the large 397 billion parameter version with 17 billion active parameters scored 58.71 overall, beating GPT 5.4 at 58.25 and Claude Opus 4.8 at 56.59. The smaller open-source version at 35 billion parameters scored 56.39, beating Claude Sonnet 4.6 at 56.04. But here's the most remarkable finding: skills transferred to domains the model was never trained on, plus 11.3 improvement on Claude Eval, plus 9.7 on Qwen Claude Bench. With zero additional fine-tuning, the model just generalized. It learned to predict environments so well that it could handle entirely new types of tasks it had never seen before. Now, multiple independent analysts and YouTube researchers have verified these reasoning examples from the paper, so this isn't just marketing. But the competitive claims do deserve scrutiny, which I'll address in a moment. After training, something unexpected happened. Agents spontaneously began performing what the researchers call mental simulations, predicting potential outcomes in their reasoning traces, realizing those outcomes might lead to failure, and revising their plans before ever taking an action. This wasn't explicitly programmed in. It emerged naturally from learning to predict environments. And here's the part that really challenges our assumptions. In head-to-head comparisons, simulated reinforcement learning training actually beat real environment reinforcement learning. The simulated version reached 50.3% F1 score versus 45.6% for real reinforcement learning on the same benchmark. Why? Because the simulator can inject adversarial conditions that reality doesn't naturally provide. Hiding answers in unexpected places, introducing random errors, paginating results unexpectedly. It's essentially free adversarial training that makes agents more robust without needing expensive real-world compute. The model is fully open source under an Apache 2.0 license. The smaller version with 35 billion total parameters and only 3 billion active fits in about 26 gigabytes, that's runnable on consumer hardware. From what developers on Reddit and the local Llama community are reporting, people are already running it locally. This fits into the massive 2026 recursive self-improvement wave. Anthropic reports Claude now writes 80% of their production code. Engineers are shipping 8 times more code per quarter compared to 2021 through 2025. ICLR 2026 had an entire workshop in Rio de Janeiro with 110 accepted papers on recursive self-improvement. The question is no longer whether AI can improve AI, it's which parts still need humans in the loop. Qwen AgentWorld represents a fundamental shift in how we build AI coding agents. Instead of training AI to act better through trial and error, train it to understand how environments work, and the acting ability follows for free. Simulate first, act second. Give AI a mental model of the world, and it naturally develops the ability to plan ahead and self-correct before making mistakes. Now here's something I want to be transparent about. AgentWorld Bench was created by the same team that built the model, so take the specific competitive numbers with a grain of salt. Independent verification is still pending, and those benchmark claims deserve scrutiny. Researchers like Sam Witteveen have verified the reasoning examples from the paper, so the underlying capabilities appear real. But the "We beat GPT-5.4" headline needs more independent validation before we treat it as settled. That said, the out-of-domain transfer results, where skills generalize to tasks the model never saw, are genuinely remarkable and harder to dismiss. I'm giving you the full picture here, both the impressive results and the limitations, because that's what honest AI-powered research coverage looks like. Whether you're a developer or just someone fascinated by where AI is heading, this world model approach is very likely how the next generation of AI coding agents will be built. The age of trial and error agents is ending. The age of agents that think before they act is just beginning. If this kind of AI deep dive is useful to you, hit subscribe. I break down the most important AI research every week so you don't have to read 38 papers yourself. Drop a comment below. Would you trust an AI agent that imagines outcomes before acting, or does that feel more dangerous than simple trial and error? I genuinely want to know what you think. All sources are linked in the description if you want to dig deeper into the original paper or try the model yourself.